workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY cozy Christmas trees. And I've got little Merlin with me today because he loves to be a part of the action. So first we're going to start with our new chunky knit yarn. We're so excited that we have co-branded with Lion Brand yarn. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. They're a really popular yarn that you find everywhere, and we have special colors in our workshop. So it's all the craze right now with the chunky knit blankets, so we decided to use it for trees. So we're going to take this styrofoam tree and transform it into this gorgeous cozy tree in less than 10 minutes. You can use multiple sizes of the styrofoam trees. It just depends on what size you want for your home. And the first step is going to be, we start by hot gluing the yarn at the top of the tree. So we put a little glue on, dab it with the yarn, and then you start wrapping. You can add a little bit of glue along the way. Now that we have the tree wrapped in our chunky knit yarn, we like to take a contrasting yarn to make it look flocked. So we chose a cream furry yarn. You just add a little glue at the top, like we did the first yarn, and then wrap around. You don't need to add any glue for the second part. The next step is to make stars. I used a craft punch out of glitter paper. We're going to put a little glue on with a toothpick, and then you can take a second star, put it on the back side, so it's double-sided star paper with glitter. And I love these little stars because you then stick them on top of your tree for your tree topper. And since it's styrofoam, the toothpick goes right in. The last step is optional. We used a pretty decent sized dowel rod and cut them about 1 inch to 2 inches big. And you can also give your tree a little stand. So you just add some glue to it and adhere to the bottom. And then you have a finished look. And there you have it. These trees can be great accents for your mantle or any side table in your house. And if you'd like to know the links to the sources, you can go to our blog, arworkshop.com. Thanks, guys.